Fast charging and data transmission. Multi-core copper core ensures excellent data transfer speed and fast and stable charging. Safe charging and data transmission. Smart chips can also prevent your phone from overheating, overcharging, and short-circuiting. A 5,000-plus bend lifespan makes more durable than anything else on the market. What you get. 1x 3.3 feet cable, user manual, 12 months product replacement. Fit the mobile phone interface, protect the battery much better. Whole course protection. It can match the charging current intelligently according to the battery capacity of the mobile phone. Fast charging mode will not burn or damage the mobile phone. Low electric power mode uses large current. Fast time saving and high electric power mode uses trickle charging to activate and repair the mobile phone battery. Charge and sync. 4 cells for fast data transfer. The anti-corrosion and heat-resistant aluminium connectors ensure uninterrupted and stable connection. With 10,000-plus bend lifespan, the durable, tangle-free PVC charger cables withstand a variety of everyday connection needs and long-term use. The right micro USB charging cable for me. With hundreds to choose from, this was the correct micro charging cable for me.